1, 2, 3. First start up. At the gas. We at the AutoZone real quick. About to repaint my rims real quick and shit. I was looking at them. Feel me? Now that I got everything done for real. See all this? Oh, that was nigga, right? I know you tripping. I got that shit right there. You see all this right here? All that little scuffage and shit like that from changing the rims and shit with the G. I seen my man before type shit. Boom. Let's go ahead, go get some paint. Make that shit look good. All this little rim shit, yeah, that shit really be on us. And you hear me? If y'all in the area, I do rims. I'm gonna go ahead and add my rim page right here. Been doing rims for years. For like probably, I don't even know. How long? I'm not gonna lie, shit look good. But probably like whatever shit turned off to. Like 8 years, not gonna lie. I did my father's Benz.
We do not care.
And like, I don't even know how old I was, but did his rims and brake calipers and shit like that. Y'all did every year. Come holler at me. About to turn these looking spanky. You know, my shit can't look harder than I have it all the way. You feel me? Gloss, stock and shit like that. You see what I'm telling you? They do my man shit.
What the fuck?
Y'all seen him on the channel. I just smoked this shit multiple times, but like, you feel me? I don't blame him because like he don't know how to race for real. Oh, get a fit hard, Jordy.
Yeah.
Nope.
We got the G's out.
One fuck. 2 G's like that.
Brother,
Y'all see what I'm doing. I already did the first one.
Yeah, that's cool.
I should have shown y'all what the before, but y'all about to see what the hell going on and shit like that. This one not too bad.
Yeah. We got some scuffs up on there.
Get a little bit in depth. Yeah. Don't get the camera. Fuck like that.
That's an overspray now. Real precise.
That's what I'm telling you.
Yeah, I just want to get like the.
Where? Right the outside.
Just like the outside.
I got you. You feel me? On some slight tips, you feel me? On some like $30 quick fix.
Yep.
You feel me? This was perfect too, bro.
Yeah, that one's straight.
I can do outside.
Them sport rims right there.
Yeah, them 18 right there.
18.
That XS. you who I tell you got XS, like, ooh, XS.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And then this right here.
He be captivating now.
Yeah, I don't really be on the racing tip, but don't get me wrong, that it'll move. Come on.
Motherfucker, shit slow as a bitch.
Nah, that thing be moving.
This shit slow as a bitch. I'm not gonna lie. I don't even want to do it to you. Well, nah, I would say when we first got a car, it was like knocking that.
But you know, you be doing cheat codes.
I don't be doing cheat codes. Don't tell them that, bro. I don't be doing cheat codes, bro. What the cheat codes be? What the cheat codes be?
I don't know, bro.
Exactly. I want to paint my. See, you got your lug nuts off. I'm just paint around it for real.
Yeah. Cause I put like aluminum foil over
On it before, yeah.
Yeah.
I don't even care. I put it in the black, bro. I got a lot. Y'all can see this wheel is gonna look a lot better. This is only first coat. Looks better already. Oh my goodness.
Nice.
Come on, looks better already. First
Jeez.
coat. Come on now. First coat. You feel what I'm telling you? Come on, man.
Do a little before and after.
You feel me? This one not too bad. I've got to do each spoke. Damn, I fucking heard my hip crack. I
thought that was your back.
That was my hip.
Jeez.
It's that football shit, man.
That's why I had to stop, bro.
Nigga, you ain't even I like the game, bro. This nigga, bro.
It turned off.
No, that's just
What's up?
Yeah, that's just GoPro cheese. That shit be turning off and shit. Man.
Tight shit.
We see different of that.
Yeah.
It's way better.
I don't know if I'm getting that angle right, but shit. Oh, I bet.
The touch screen.
Oh, I bet. Shit.
These ones, damn. Looks like the whole spoke. And I'm gonna probably do these again when I do my calipers.
Nice cheese.
Well, I'm telling you, that's first coat.
I think you gotta spray some more up on that.
I
On
ain't
the
even
side.
start this one. I ain't start this one yet. It's the first coat. Nah. Put your face in the camera. She's up, bro. Yeah, bro. Put the camera, bro.
Nigga, what the fuck type of nigga is you?
Don't get your tag.
Oh yeah, let me get that thing up out of there.
But like, hold on. Y'all see that motherfucker before. It's light touches. I'm trying my best not to touch your actual paint. Because I have no paint. You hear what I'm talking about?
Yeah, don't overspray that thing, please.
I'm done. Look at that, bro. Come on, bro. Nigga, you like that for real. No. Come on, bro. Come on. Get closer. There's no overlay. There's no proof of me spraying on his paint. You hear what I'm telling you?
No overspray that thing.
Come on, man.
Yeah.
Talk to him.
Bro.
Talk to him, bro. I set it up for you, bro.
Bro, we was just having a conversation about the G's, bro. Like, as long as you keep your G, like, upkeep, bro.
You feel me? Upkeep.
Bro, look how many miles on this motherfucker.
You feel me?
Hold on, we about to take a look inside.
You hear what I'm telling you? 210,000 miles. You hear what I'm telling you? You feel me? We got the YB. Got the maps. Got the paddles. You hear what I'm telling you? The sport motherfucker. So yeah, as long as you keep your shit, bro. I'm at 184, bro. My shit high too.
Yeah.
My brain hit 200K next year probably.
For real.
I'll be driving my shit too hard, bro. I drove 10,000 miles about every year. I was like 11. I averaged at 150. They already know. If you're for the ones who tapped in, got my car at 150, 150,000 miles. And it's at 184 right now. Got it 3.5 years ago.
Bro, I passed them up, bro. I got mine at 140.
And he got his like 3-4 months after mine?
Yeah, like.
I got mine in like June. You got yours in like October or something like that. Yeah. No, I got mine July. I think I just said October or some shit.
Yeah, it was like October. It was September, October.
Okay, yeah. So like 2 months. Nigga had 140, I had 150. He had 217. God damn, boy.
Be moving that thing.
Niggas say be moving that motherfucker. But yeah, another thing that we just noticed, I got mud flaps.
Yeah.
I don't know if the sports don't come with them, but he don't got mud flaps. And he just noticed it for real. I said, I noticed, my fault. He noticed it. I ain't gonna take your shine, my boy. And I got rear mud flaps. And someone commented and asked me, do you have Q60 coupe mud flaps? And I looked at the picture of my car, I'm like, damn, what the fuck? And now I'm just looking at it like, that shit, okay. Fuck the sport then.
Nah, bro.
You feel me? The sport found it.
We didn't need that. We didn't need that.
Oh, my fault. You feel what I'm telling you? That tab right there, I got about that tab right there. You feel what I'm telling you? Yeah, though. We out.
Later that night.
Alright, y'all. My first race. Test pipe, wide pipe, G37. 1 delete, Z1 intakes versus test pipe, full ISR exhaust. Well, not full ISR exhaust. OEM wide pipe, and then ISR exhaust from there back. My shit, I think it looks a little too fast now, y'all.
Too fast now.
My shit can't even hook. It like instantly. So just, I guess, only rolls. Yeah. Dig's not in for this car no more, bro. Huh? Yeah. Yeah. That's about. Come on. This bit, I told you this shit too fast now, bro.
You gotta see what they're doing on prep track.
I know.
I think that makes it.
Just go. That shit hooked instantly. Yeah, y'all. I spun instantly. It's cold outside too, y'all. My tire's not really that warm. Wouldn't say. Yeah, Diggs is not it for me right now. So they probably do a 40 or 60. And then, yeah, see how that run goes. We got the 360 camera mounted too. It should be a good race, y'all. Cause after he got the test pipes, he started smoking me. Like I had no chance. Shit! That was a good ass fucking race. Hey y'all, it's a good ass fucking run, y'all. 50, 50, 50. 50, 55, 55. 55, 55. One, two, three. My shit definitely got faster. My shit definitely got faster, man.
Damn.
You know, Corey was smoking me before.
Hell yeah.
After he got them test fights, man. I'm gonna go ahead and insert some clips right here. seen that shit, ain't you?
Hell yeah.
You seen that shit? That shit, that's that speed boost. You feel what I'm telling you? Damn, my shit shaking.
Hell yeah.
I hate that shit for the roaders, bro. It gotta be my roaders. Good G, real shit. That shit moving, bro. Yeah. This person shot. Oh, this person right here? This car should shot brake tap. He not trying to, oh yeah, that person got over. Brake check us, we on his ass. My shit scraping just now. Damn. This bitch sounds too good, bro. Yes, sir. Good fucking runs, man. Now it's back to time, bro. That shit really close as a bitch, bro. That fucking car tried to brake check us and shit. Tripping. I was trying to get in front of her and brake check her, but she wasn't going for it. All right, though, y'all. That's it. We stopped on the side of the road with it and shit like that. You feel what I'm telling you? But yeah, I'm gonna holler at y'all when I holler at y'all. Hope y'all enjoy the content. Peace.
Thank you. Come again.